I'm not even halfway done. Like, still what I have to go through. That's all in my bed and in this basket. What I'm keeping, what I'm not keeping, all the hangers, and then this section here are maybes. So yeah, I am like, wow, not realizing how much stuff that I have. And then that pile down here, down there, if y'all can see it, so many jumpsuits that I probably wore maybe just once and then never wore again, that I had for like years and years. I don't know what to do with it. Like, I didn't realize I had this much stuff in my closet. So I'm gonna keep going and keep tossing and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I guess let's get back into it, y'all.
A four-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt. Tell yourself it's so absurd. Four-letter words, four-letter words. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Get struck by lightning. Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? anyway. Yeah, 'cause it's a maze every day. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Did you get struck by lightning? Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like,
Alright, y'all, so this is where I'm at so far. This basket here is what I don't want, what I'm keeping, what I still gotta go through, and I still have to go through this being down here. I know some of this stuff is new, but just because it's new does not mean that it is worth keeping. So I gotta go through all this as well. And this stuff here I'm just gonna put back in my closet, as well as the top part of my closet. I'm not gonna worry about. It's more of the bottom that I'm gonna worry about today and get over with. So off camera, I'm gonna still go through and see what I am keeping, and then I will come back on camera and show you all what I kept and what's on hangers and all of that good stuff. So be right back, y'all. All right, y'all, I am back as promised. All of the clothes are gone. Don't mind how my pillows is. I was taking breaks in between. And the clothes that I have right here are the clothes that I'm gonna go through and do a video with for like different looks for spring. So yeah, stay tuned for that, as well as be looking out for my Temu review video coming this week as well. And here's the closet. Everything is off the floor, neatly put. Don't mind the Epsom salt. I'm gonna take that in the bathroom in a second. Some stuff I got right here, and then on this side over here, the clothes are all back in here, hung up as dresses, skirts, pants, nice dressy type shirts, and then my regular shirts and work shirts, and then it's my jackets and shawls on this side. So that's how I organize it. I'm not like that person does like color coordinate. I'm not OCD like that. But yeah, don't mind the top. Like I said, as you can see, it's dark outside now. So yeah, finally finished, and that is it. I am done. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new, and I will catch y'all in the next video, guys. Bye.